focus kasi kulang sa light. But you get the look. Ayan. Sobrang liwanag. And let's look up there. Let's look up. Wait. Don't go yet. I'm gonna show you something. Yeah. That's my view for tonight. And in an hour or two, this will turn red. Oh my goodness. Hindi ako makatulog dahil sa'yo. Feeling ko pag makatulog ako, I'm gonna miss it. So, I'd rather not. Beautiful.